The real world student can hit $10,000 monthly online. If you are a student, you have ever asked, how do I earn $10,000 a month online? You're not alone. We all want freedoms, but the internet is packed with hype and quick schemes. People make it sound easy, instant, and effortlessly. But here's the truth. It's not instant, but it is possible. Social media has warped expectation. If you are 19 and not making six figures online, you feel behind. That's crazy. Think about this 20 years ago. If you told someone you made $4,000 monthly online with no job, from your laptop, working 4 hours a day, you would be considered a genius. Today, people feel embarrassed about that. Let me tell you my own story. I started grinding in 2014. I made zero money for years, just uploading videos, posting contents, reading books, and learn new skills. 3 years later, I hit first 10K month, and here's the truth. It was worth it. So if it takes you 1 year, 2 years, or even 3 years, don't panic. That's normal. The key is set your expectation to years, not weeks. Stay consistent. Focus on progress, not perfection. Step number 1, choose the right vehicle. Now, once your mindset is in the right place, you need the right vehicle. Now, you might be saying, McKinley, what do you mean by a vehicle? It's just your path, the business model or income stream that will actually get you to $10,000 monthly. But not all paths are created equal. What not to choose, don't go all in on high risk stuff like trading or crypto. If you don't fully understand it, most people lose money and the people promoting it, they profit off your losses through affiliate commission. Instead, focus on high cash flow, low overhead model, especially service-based businesses. High cash flow and low overhead models are businesses model that bring in solid income, which is another word, cash flow, without requiring a lot of upfront money or ongoing expenses, overhead. Those are especially great for students because you can start with limited capital, work from anywhere, and keep most of the profit. Here's 3 proven examples that are perfect for students. Number 1, freelance short-form video editing. Platforms like TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Short are exploding. You don't need instant skills, just practice, good taste, and speed. Client pay $500 to $2,000 monthly for content editor. Build a small team, boom, scalable. Number 2, funnel building or landing pages. If you can build clean, high converting pages, use tools like Go High Level, Cards, or Webflow, you are in demand. Agencies, course creators, coaches, all need this. One good funnel, $1,000 plus. Number 3, run ads, Google Meta, or TikTok. Yes, it takes time to learn, but once you have results, businesses will pay $1,500 to $3,000 a month to have you manage their campaign. The key in all of this, high perceived value, low cost start, potential for remote scalability. You can learn most of those on YouTube or via affordable courses, even while studying for exam. For example, Iman Ghazi, a well-known entrepreneur, made over $10,000 a month with a marketing agency at 17. And guess what? He started with no big brand, no degree, just a high demand skill. If you are getting value out of this video so far, please drop a like and comment below your biggest goal this year, and I would love to hear where you are starting from. Step number 2, cement your identity. Now this part most people miss. You don't want to just stay. You don't want to reach 10K per month. You want to stay there. This is where identity comes in. Whatever numbers you earn consistently become your financial baseline. When I was 16, $1,000 per month felt like magic. At 18, I was making $30,000 to $40,000 per month. Today, I operate at $100,000 plus per month, and that felt normal. But here's why. I conditioned myself to see that as a minimum standard. So once you hit 10K per month, don't stop. Celebrate forever. Cement it as your new identity. Study how old money operate. The focus on asset protection, smart reinvestment, sustainable system, and most importantly, they avoid lifestyle creep because the real flex is not a Lambo, it's freedom. Step number 3, stack leverage. Okay, let's go deeper. Want to hit 10K per month faster and scale beyond it? You need leverage. There are 3 types. Number 1, labor leverage. Hire freelancers or contractors, for example. If you run a design agency, get skilled editor from Romania or Brazil. You pay fair rates and they help you scale delivery. Number 2, code leverage. Use tools, automate processes, schedule content, use ChatGPT to write content faster, Notion to manage workflow, or Zapier to automate tasks. Number 3, content leverage. Start sharing your journey, TikTok, trade, YouTube videos. People will resonate with your story, and that's how clients and customers find you. Don't wait to be perfect, share as you learn. Step number 4, one final rule. If you remember nothing else from this video, remember this. The business that gets you to 10K per month is not the same one that will get you to $1 million, and that's okay. In college or as a student, your goal is to build income, not your forever empire. So don't overthink it. Pick a vehicle, give it 12 to 24 months and just go. You evolve as you go. You pivot, you grow. Success online is not magic, it's math plus mindset. The only difference between you and someone making 10K per month, they started and stuck with it. Now it's your turn. Smash that like button if you are serious. And don't forget to subscribe as well so that way you can stay notified whenever we post a new video. Catch you in the next one. Stay focused. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye. Peace.